Comprehensive review. MERACH walking pad, small treadmill for home and office, under desk treadmill. With max 3.8 miles per hour, 40 decibels, 2-in-1 quiet portable mini treadmill. In an era where remote work and compact living dominate, the demand for space-efficient fitness solutions has skyrocketed. Enter the MERACH walking pad, a sleek, under-desk treadmill designed for home and office use. Promising a noise level of 40 decibels, a 2-in-1 design, and portability, this mini treadmill aims to blend seamlessly into busy lifestyles. But does it deliver? Let's dive into a 30,000-character deep dive to uncover its strengths, limitations, and overall value. Key features at a glance: compact dimensions, fits under desks and in tight spaces. 2-in-1 design, use as a walking pad under a desk or a standalone treadmill. Max speed, 3.8 miles per hour, 6.1 kilometers per hour for light jogging or brisk walks. Quiet operation, 40 decibel noise level, comparable to a quiet library. Portability, lightweight, 26.5 pounds, with transport wheels. Remote control, effortlessly adjust speed without bending down. LED display, tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Design and build quality aesthetic appeal. The MERACH walking pad sports a minimalist, modern design with a matte black finish, blending into home or office decor. Its low-profile build, 4.7-inch height, slides easily under most desks. Durability, constructed with a robust steel frame and non-slip rubber belt, it supports up to 220 pounds. The textured running surface, 16.5 inches by 40 inches, accommodates users up to 6 feet 2 inches, though taller individuals may find it snug. Foldability, while not foldable, its slim profile and wheels make storage a breeze. Performance and usability speed settings, ranges from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour via remote control. Ideal for walking or light jogging, but runners may crave higher speeds. The belt accelerates smoothly, minimizing jerky starts. Stability, the anti-shock design absorbs impact, reducing strain on joints. However, at max speed, slight vibrations occur, manageable but noticeable. Motor power, a 1.25 horsepower motor handles daily use, though prolonged jogging sessions may strain it over time. Noise level, at 40 decibels, it's quieter than most competitors. At 3.8 miles per hour, noise rises to approximately 50 decibels, still quieter than a dishwasher. Perfect for shared spaces. Portability and storage. Weighing 26.5 pounds with built-in wheels, moving the MERACH is effortless. Store vertically or slide under a couch. Ideal for apartment dwellers or office commuters. Ease of use. Setup ready out of the box, just unroll and plug in. No assembly required. Remote control, adjust speed without interrupting workflow. The LED display is basic but clear. Safety features. Auto stop if the user steps off, plus a safety key for emergencies. User experience office warriors. Sarah, a remote worker, praises its quiet operation. I walk during Zoom calls. No one notices. Fitness newbies. John, a home user, appreciates the low-impact workouts. It's helped me shed 10 pounds in 2 months. Space savers. Emily, a studio apartment dweller, loves how it tucks away post-use. Pros versus cons. Pros. Whisper quiet for office use. Easy to store and move. User-friendly remote control. Affordable versus competitors. Cons, no incline options. Belt size may feel cramped for tall users. Max speed limits, intense workouts. Comparison to competitors versus walking pad C2. MERACH is quieter and $50 cheaper, but lacks app integration. Versus Go Plus, ultra thin. MERACH offers better stability and a longer warranty, 12 months. Value for money priced at $299 to $399. The MERACH delivers exceptional value for casual users, prioritizing noise reduction and portability. While not for hardcore runners, it's a stellar entry-level option. Final verdict. The MERACH walking pad excels as a discreet under-desk companion for light exercise. Its quiet operation, Portability and ease of use make it a standout for busy professionals and space-conscious users. Though limited in speed and size, it's a worthy investment for staying active in sedentary environments. Rating 4.5 out of 5 stars.